Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So, as a first step, the compass is not an application. We would need to find it with a little tricky way. For that, we would need to open Settings and then go to the tab which is named Display. Here is how it looks. Click on it and then scroll a little bit lower until you'll find this tab which is named Edge Panels. Click on this slider to enable it and after click on the name of this tab. Here we would need to go to the tab which is named Panels, scroll to the left and here find this edge panel which is named Tools. Select it and then go back to save the changes. Also, don't forget to disable the applications so you can see the compass only. Then we go back again and let's take a look on our compass. If we will swipe the edge panel, we can see the compass. As you can see, currently the application wants to access my location data, so I click next, and as you can see, the compass is working. We can rotate our phone to see in which direction we are moving, and this is especially useful if you love some extreme type of sport. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.